Hey guys, I just purchased a cold air intake system from KN to save a little bit of gas mileage, have a little bit of performance and a few pounds of torque. I'm gonna show you how it is installed on this Infiniti QX80 2023, and I'll walk you through the process, how to put it together, what comes in the box, and with the final product. So the whole kit comes in a box, and I already placed it on a table to kind of show you what's in it and what you may need. So these parts comes with the hoses, which you pre-cut for an assembly. It does come with all the directions, and those are the tools you will need. Alright, this is another stage. I'm just gonna show you a few more pieces I put together. So I put these together, put the elbow on this one, the straight on this one, and then I placed the rubber all inside the edges or around the edges, and I install this little piece here and the insert over here. From there I'm gonna put the filter on, and then I'm gonna move towards the engine and start removing parts over there. So in this part we're gonna disconnect a negative cable on a battery. Just remember that some of your settings might disappear after you connect it back, so I would recommend it to write it down or to memorize what you need to remember. Then we're gonna uninstall those two screws to remove the cover. We're gonna after unplug the sensor and unscrew the box itself. Alright, at this point we install the cold air intake. It's going straight back to the screws. We unscrewed all the holes, one here, one is over there, one is here. So one of the important steps when putting the sensor back is that the hole or the opening needs to be on the left side. So when you are placing it inside, make sure that's how it goes. Alright, another step, we will place the tube with the sensor back in. Previously had this rubber piece already on, but it's much more difficult to put it in. So I removed it. I'm gonna install it on this side first, and then I'm gonna insert the tube back on. Now we're gonna insert one of the tubes over here and one of them over here and finish. Alright, so as I said before, this tube's gonna come on the right side. So I'm going here, over here. Here. Let me show you what we've done. So as a last step, we need to connect the sensor. And now we have the filter with the intake connections. And as a last step, we're gonna connect the cover, the negative cable, and that's it. We have 2 screws in the back. Two screws on the top. Negative battery cable. All right, and that's it.